Hi, it's Mrs. Bow again, and I have a very, very silly book for you. And you know, it's not like a lot of other books. This book, you have to put your face through it. Would you like to get started? All right, let's get started. It's called The Very, Very Silly Farm Animals. I am a very white sheep, and I say, bah, bah.
And I am a very tired puppy, and I like to take a lot of naps, and I go.
And I am a rooster, and I like to start the morning very early with a cock-a-doodle-doo. And I am a pig, and I am a silly pig, and I love to eat my food, and I go like this. And I am a cow, and I give so much milk to very, 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 very many people. And I say, moo, moo.
And I am a pussycat, a little kitty cat, and I love very, 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 very many hugs. Meow.
The end. That was a short book, but a lot of fun. I always have fun reading books with you. Can you make up some of your own animal faces? Let's end with a very, very, very silly face together. Do you have your very silly face ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye for now.